Okay, we have a 2017 Toyota Corolla. The customer have one key. It marked with an H on it, so that means we have an H chip, and we're gonna create another one. We're gonna start with a T30. We'll start by opening the door, and we're gonna remove this piece. That's the cover. Underneath the cover there is a small screw, and the T30, we're gonna untie the screw. It's not gonna fall off because it have a piece of plastic. So, and now we're gonna pull this out. On this one there is a few different type of engraving, but we know that the 2017 Toyota Corolla, it's between I think it's 50,000 to 80,000, and this is 62,216. So we're gonna cut the key based on this code. So we're gonna take our key, we're gonna go to our machine, we're gonna put it inside here, close the lid. We're gonna go to search. We're gonna go by a key blank, which is TR47, 10 cuts. We're gonna go based on a code. The code with that we have is 62 to 16. We're gonna hit search. Here is our bidding, and we're gonna cut the key. So now we're gonna cut 10 cuts on this key. In the meanwhile, I can put this lock back. We're gonna adjust it back inside until it sits snug. And we're gonna go to the screw, and I'm gonna tie the screw back, and we'll put the cover back. That's it. Now we'll need to use a computer to program it. I'm gonna try to use the Autel KM100. We're going to connect this dongle to the OBD, which is underneath right here, and then it's a Bluetooth, so it's going to be connected. Let's check on the key. Key is still cutting right here. And the key is done. Clean it up. We got ourselves another key. Basically, in order to add the key, we need to put his key first on position. It's going to ask us, so I'm going to start with his key in the ignition, and the ignition on position. All right, so I'm gonna go to immobilizer. I'm gonna go to Toyota, then I'm gonna do automatic selection, and we're gonna read the VIN, so that way I don't need to choose the year, the make and model. We just got the VIN number. And there you go. So you already recognize Corolla 2016. We're gonna go to hot function. This is an H chip, not a G chip, so we're gonna go H chip, key learning, and we're gonna start. So now it tells you that leave the master on. I hit yes, then hit OK. By the way, security light is right here. Right now it's off because the master is inside. Now it's going to tell me to take the original one out and put the new key in and without turning. You see the light over there is solid red. That means it's in a programming mode. I'm going to slide in, and it tells me to wait 1 minute until the light over there stops blinking. When the light stops blinking, this new key is registered. So right, but it's very important to leave the new key on off position. Toyota keys are programmed while the ignition is off. So we're gonna wait a minute, and when it stops, we'll test the key. Now, this is only for the chip to start the car. It's not for the remote. The remote will have to program separate, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So, security light is off. That means this key is already programmed. So when the keys are out, you'll see the security light blinking. As soon as I push the key inside the lock, it's going to stop blinking. That means this one is programmed, and that's going to start the car. But the remote is not programmed yet. So we're going to go back to our computer. Now we're going to go back, and instead of the hot function, we're going to go to control unit, and we're going to go to the remote system. We'll have to keep one of the keys on. So the ignition is on but not start. Remote control learning. Make sure the driver door is open and ignition is on. Now it's going to tell me to press both together and then unlock. So we're going to do that. Oh shit, it started raining. And if it's programmed, we're going to hear 2 beeps when it registers the new fob. All right. All right, press lock and unlock. I heard the 2 beeps. Learning succeeded. So now, if I'll take this key, original one, let's see the emergency lights. That opens. And our new key with the barcode. All set. Thank you for watching Avi G Locksmith. And if you need any extra keys or remotes, we are one place to do it.